Kubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih Jongka Sorkar Jella Ubah Lakman Rymbui Habakren Syakilat Pathai Kubor Hadian Baladep Yakendo Yakin Nongyalam Jongki Nonghikai School Kontrak Ulaong Bakat Kum ke NCTE Ki Nonghikai Ki Deban Pas Ya ke 100%. Ki Don Ki Baladep Pas Ya ke DLN Henry Ki Klem Pat Pas Ya ke 100%. Na kata kadau Kimi Ki Jing Ulaong rubun ki Nonghikai ki dei ki Bunsien la pendep ya ka jing pulih ka babiang kumta ka Sorkar kampediang bat ka ailat ru ya ki bakin pendep ya ki jing pulih hadu bakin yo bat kot ya ka 100%. Shushu ulaong ru ba ka Sorkar kala pensyai ban ailan ban pendep ya ki jing pulih namar karta thep kamru ka Sorkar kala penjalan.
18 when they meet me they told, sir, because many of us will be on the wrong side of age because we are over age. I told, don't worry, for age the government will do something to enhance the age, and education department is the first department who enhance the age from 32 to 37 years for the benefit of the contractual teachers who take time to meet the regulatory authority. After that, then the government conducted the TET and regular appointment have also been made in all the district of the state except the Dadengiri subdivision. Question asked, why Dadengiri? Because there is a leakage of question paper when the test was conducted all over the state. So, and when we found that the leakage is confined only to the Dadengiri subdivision, so the test for all the subdivision goes as usual, and result could be declared, and then the Dadengiri subdivision is held afterwards, and then after the conduct of MTET in the Dadengiri, we were supposed to issue advertisement. Then come the NDC election. Which model code of conduct happened? Then after preparation again to conduct the recruitment process in the Dadengiri, then by election come, and finally the government have advertised the post in Dadengiri. Subsequently, the judgment of Honorable High Court come to implement the roster system because we could not conduct the exam even once. That's why those teachers they continue on the contractual basis. And in 2020, the Honorable High Court also has passed the judgment that the contractual teachers have no right for regularized session. So I have explained to them that this is the portion of the government based on all the legality parameter of the law. Because this is not a new issue. The contractual teachers have met me several times since 2018. And at that time, I make ample clear that TET is a reality. So kindly prepare for TET because it is a reality now, because section 23 of RTER has specified that appointment of the teachers for elementary education is as per norm prescribed by regulatory authority, that is NCTE. So NCTE has prescribed, but during this period of time, 2012, everybody, from the day one, we made ample clear that we have to follow the mandatory norms which set up by the regulatory authority, and we have given time by the government. We have given time. We have condoned extend the age limit, and now we have nothing. We have the government have given chance to reappear the exam. So the question of mistreating does not arise at all. But the government will, because 3-4 months back, the contractual teachers, many of them have passed their MTech, but they are again on the wrong side of age. So today I conveyed to them what I can do, what the government can do, is that a one-time condonation of age could be given so that they could appear for the recruitment process. So this is the maximum thing as of now, which we as the government will do. So regularization is out of the question. Many of the teachers, in-service teachers, have not acquired the minimum qualification. So the government, for those who have not acquired the minimum qualification of 45% for student, right? We have given a chance to appear again and again and again the embossed exam so that they could attain the minimum mark of 45%. Number 2, and that also we extend to 3 times, not only one, not only twice, 3, 4 times, 5 times we have extended. Number 2, since DLL also is one of the criteria for the appointment of the teachers, so the government of Meghalaya tie up with NIOS so that all the in-service teachers could complete their DL, and that also we extend time and again. And the last batch, which because the NCTE, the NIOS have given only few times for them to complete the 55%. But many, I will sure to tell you about many, some, they have passed the DLF, but they could not pass the 45% in time. That also the matter after the attempt, the NIOS have conveyed that they did not.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.